In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Metamask. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, PayPal has been officially integrated in Metamask, meaning that you will be able to use your PayPal account as a payment method. You can drain it from the balance, so you will be able to use the balance that you have available on PayPal, or you can register any valid bank or card. You will be able to choose any of the payment methods registered to PayPal to buy crypto on MetaMask. However, something that I need to make very clear is that you will only be able to buy Ethereum. So this was introduced last year. However, they only support Ethereum. So keep that in mind. So all that you have to do is to go over to the buy section on MetaMask. When you do this, you will be prompted to select your region. As you can see, availability may vary based on your bank's location and our payment providers. Currently, to my knowledge, PayPal is only available in the US for MetaMask users, so keep that in mind. However, you can try choosing any of the other popular regions, and there's a chance that it might be available. But if you select United States of America, it is going to appear for you. So all that you have to do now, when you go over to the buy window, is to choose the amount that you want to purchase. Make sure that you select Ethereum, or it will be automatically selected when you choose the payment method. When you select payment method, all of them will appear. So you have PayPal, debit or credit card, instant ACH transfer, wire transfer, and so on. And like I mentioned, PayPal should be available on the list as long as you are located in the US. So select it from here. And as soon as you choose PayPal, you will be able to click the button to buy with PayPal. This will redirect you into the PayPal website where you can input your password and then email or phone number, log into your account, and then you will be returned to the MetaMask website or mobile app. This might take a couple of minutes, and after this is done, you will receive the token amount that you purchased. You will see the exchange rate, how much you spent in US dollars, and any fees included. You can see the order status on PayPal itself, and you can repeat this purchase as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to MetaMask. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.